A Bangor, os oes angen deud, yn y glas, allan Shaw, bas sydyn at Dardiello, oedd 'na weledigaeth ac oedd 'na gywirdeb yn y bas yna. Dardiello. Mae gallu mynd I hun o'r pellter yma, a mae amddiffynwyr Prestatyn yn gwybod hynny fel da chi'n sylwi. Nôl I fan gan Holmes, angen I chlirioi, mae'n disgu I Shaw!
Mae rhaid o sgorio.
Oedd hwnna yn gyfle yng ngwir ystyr y gair.
Oes safon na fo, sa ddim pwysau ar y bel. Felly mae rhaid fod daro gol.
James Stead sy'n ei chymryd I. O, na chi Smonach. Cetli Drian yn llithro tra bod na 4 o chwaraewyr o gwmpas y smotyn gwyn yn barod am y bel uchel. Mae Noah Edwards di hennill I nôl. Mae o'n I chwipio hi mewn. Mae nhw'n cael Smonach o'i chlirio. Hei! Ac mae Stead yn cael gafel yn I.
Nath o fynd am clywed. Neu mos fod jyst defnyddio byd mach mwy o ddychymig.
Parker. Goset ar dderchog. Holmes tu allan I Holmes. Mae Caiola. Holmes meddwl mynd I hun. Tamlai! Gol ar dderchog yn deillio o ergyd isel gywir. A pa da chi'n I taro nhw mor gywir â hynny, di'r golwr gorau methu cyrraedd. Bangor 1, Prestatyn dim.
Gwych o gol i'r dyn yma. Unwaith mae'n tynnu'r ei droi chwith, mae'n gwybod. Oce, fi'n gorfod cadw on I lawr, mi nath o hynny, mi nath o fwy na hynny. Nath o gyrraedd y gornel hefyd.
Dyna chi, Kevin Nicholson a Gary Taylor-Fletcher. 2 ben yn well na 1, medden nhw. Noah. Pediad da ganddo fo. Mae Noah Edwards yn dal I fynd at y smotyn gwyn. Mae'r cyffyrddiad oddi ar yr amddiffynwr a Kenny yn gwneud yn ardderchog. Maili, dwi'n meddwl, roth I gorff yn ffordd y bel.
Ac ti'n edrych ar Kenny fan'na, oli taltra sy'n ganddo fo, oli mantais ganddo fo yn yr awyr.
Ac ar y gair! Gwaith unigol campus ganddo fo'n doedd.
Mae o'n clywed.
Fe droth o, nath o glywed chi Malcolm.
Wel, fflach, ti'n gwybod, fflach, a mae yno fo, dyna di broblem sy'n ganddo fi. Mae mor rwystredig bod I fyny fan hyn yn gwybod, mae Kenny yn well na mae di ddangos heno.
Allan at y sgoriwr Holmes. Caiola. Yn bwydo Holmes, a Holmes di chwipio I mewn! A mi ddyle Shaw di gweud yn well. Oedd I rediad o'n un da, oedd o'n ymateb yn gynt na neb, ond ddyle fod I talo'r targed. A Prestatyn yn cymryd cysur mawr o'r ffaith mae dim ond 1 gol sy'n ni. Wilson. Na tym hwn disgyn I Shaw, ond mae Shaw di gadlu gorff wneud y gwaith. Pediad hyfryd, Shaw arbediad ar dderchog. Pel droed, gorau'r gêm gan Shaw I hun, ond Carl Jones yn aros yn gry ar dderchog.
Mae'n jyst tynnu ysgwyd un ffordd, wedyn mae'n gwybod mae'n rhaid o gair gyd a taro'r gol mae'n neud hynny, ond mae Carl Jones yn lwcus I wneud yr arbediad, ond mae'n aros yn gry, felly mae'n chdi ganmol o hefyd. Na ni weld y dacl yma.
Wilson mewn yn galed iawn, melyn fydd I, dwi'n meddwl haid I chwaraewyr fod yn ofalus, mae'r 2 frawd I mewn, 1 brawd yn gwarchod y llall. Ellwch chi ddallt hynny. Carden Felen. A dyna'r gyntaf I Bangor.
Ti'n gwybod be, mae o dros y bel.
Nawr te. Mae Stead, dwi'n meddwl, yn mynd I weld Carden. A mae'n goch syth I James Stead.
Na ti'n yn cael wneud hynna siwr. Mae'n gicio fo wrth y bel. Ond ti'n yn cael wneud hynna, mae'n jyst mor dda biad.
Cyflem wrth ymosodiad fan hyn. Nawr te. Caiola o'i flaen o mae Rittenberg. Ar ochr arall mae Shaw, na mae'n Shaw'r holl amser yn y byd. Mae'n edrych, mae'n tanio, mae'n ffigio! Ond yr hwyd ochr a mae yna gyfle da di mynd. Ond mae'r bel gan Edwards. William Meher yr eilydd. O, mae wedi troi'n ardderchog! Arbediad da gan Roberts. A na'r arbediad cyntaf mae wedi gorfod wneud.
Arbediad campus Roberts yn y gol yn cadw I safon canolbwyntio.
Wall. Shaw tu allan iddo fo. Tu allan I Shaw mae Wilson. Nawr mae gan Wilson. Di Wilson wedi hun. Arbediad da iawn gan Jones.
Ie, jyst I cigo oes allan.
Alan.
Edrych o hon, yr arbediad. Da efo'i droed. Dim ond City cadw nhw allan, meddyn nhw fel golwr. Safio efo'i droed.
At 1-0, it's still on a knife edge of the game. You need that second goal really to calm you down as a team, and you know, even that 6 minutes of injury time feels like 16 minutes. But yeah, pleased with the clean sheet. I still think obviously we can improve on a lot of things and do a lot of things better. But we certainly, we created chances second half, and that was still positive in terms of trying to get that second goal. And we just, we keep working, we move on to the next game, but we're delighted with the win.
We can take enormous positives from that in terms of the spirit in the group, the togetherness. We kept fighting for each other right to the end. I think we've probably played around 30 minutes with 10 men. So lots of togetherness in the group. We didn't go down when we were, under pressure, and we could have wilted towards the end. So I take loads of positives from that. However, frustration, because we felt that 11v11 we were always in the game. We felt that was maybe some things that didn't go quite our way, that we were disappointed with, and things went against us. There's no excuses on the sending off. If somebody's kicked somebody off the ball, then they deserve to get sending off, and we'll deal with that internally. However, there was things that we weren't quite happy with as well that went on today.
We spoke about it before the game, actually, in the dressing room. We said we've conceded 5 goals in 2 matches. We need to start keeping clean sheets. And we just said to them in there, hopefully that's the first of many to come, because with the ability that we've got going forwards, we've always got to be confident and have that belief that we can get a goal, at least one goal. So if we're solid and we're organised and we're disciplined at the back and we cut out the mistakes and we defend well at set pieces, then we can keep clean sheets.
We expect Bangor to be a top 3, top 4 side. They played in Europe this year. We've had 10 men against them for a long parts of the game, and we've proved we can compete at this level, we feel. So take lots of positives from it. Put today's game to bed, work on a plan ready for Llandudno next game we've got up, and then try and get 3 points from that.
Are you able to give us an update on Gary Taylor-Fletcher's injury? Yeah,
Gary's obviously, he picked up a bad knock last week from a challenge, which he's been doing his best to recover from. It was disappointing to not have him out there tonight because he's been absolutely brilliant, obviously, for us so far this season. Obviously, he was the top goal scorer going into tonight's game, so that was tough because we were missing our top goal scorer. But Gaz will be back, and we'll look forward to having him back. But I enjoyed being on the sidelines with him tonight as well.